Tiana?
We have them. People don't come here from everywhere.
What's going to be next?
I don't know. I look in the pages.
What's it going to be?
Look
Snow White? What's going to be next?
I don't know. I look in the toys.
I know, there's a lot of toys here. Let's see what's next. What's it going to be? Okay, one more.
Let's look at mermaid.
Can you do it one more time? You want to do Mermaid on there? Do the Mermaid song? Or do Belle? Do Belle. I like Belle too.
Here.
There's Ariel. Do Belle.
Something sweet and almost kind, but he was mean and he was coarse and unrefined. And now he's here, and so I'm sure I wonder why I didn't see it there before.
Okay, you want to do Snow White real quick? One more time? Or how about Ariel? You haven't done Ariel yet.
I look in the toys.
Okay. You all done singing?
I look in the toys. So I need to look for Emily. Look for Emily.
Yeah, we're looking for Emery's birthday right now.
Wait. I love this.
I know.
I have that movie.
We do have that movie.
We loved it.
We do love it.
People don't come here from everywhere.
That's Princess Tiana.
I look in the pages.
Your heart aches when you're fast asleep.
Ready to move on?
Still
Still doing it?
my stick.
People don't come here from everywhere, and I'm
I need my floppy.
They're right there. They're right there. Okay, you ready to go? Let's keep looking, okay?
No, let's look for more toys.
Okay.